Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about forms of presentation of data in geography. Okay, maps and cartography and statistical techniques. Tabular, diagrammatic, bar diagrams, pie charts, and line graphs and special graphs are some example of forms of presentation of data in geographical studies. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start the class. Three forms of data presentation. First of all, descriptive presentation, also called as textual presentation. Okay, data described in continuous paragraph form, suitable for small limited data sets, easy to comprehend at surface level. Comprehension gets difficult with large data. Then second form is tabular presentation, data arranged in rows and columns, Data presented in structured table format, information placed in individual cells, boxes formed by rows and columns, that means cells, and enables easy comparison and reference. Then third form is diagrammatic presentation, visual and graphical representation, also known as, uses bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, histograms, polygons, frequency diagrams, and these are most effective for quick understanding and translates complex data into visual representation. Okay, then first of all, bar diagrams, a simple method of showing statistical data using bars and columns and pillars. Length is proportional to the quantity on a selected scale. Simple bar diagram like this, simple bar diagram. Rectangular bars of each category, equispaced and equal width. Height depends on magnitude of data. For example, steel production year-wise. Multiple bar diagram, two or more sets of data compared for each category per year, multiple bars drawn side by side. For example, India versus China steel production. Then component bar diagram, each bar divided into two or more subdivisions shows multiple attributes of same category. Height is equal to total value. Proportional divisions show components, for example, boys, girls, enrollment in Bihar schools. Pie diagram. What is pie diagram? A component diagram where a circle is divided into segments to represent defined components. The absolute value of each component is expressed as a percentage of total and then converted to an angle of 360 degree. This is the formula for construction. Step 1, percentage P is equal to V divided by T into 100. Okay, where P is percentage, V means value, and T means total. Step 2, angle in degrees. Degrees is equal to P divided by 100 into 360 degree. P means percentage. Okay, it is widely used for geographical subcomponents map, like example water sources and land use maps. 5 steps to construct a pie diagram. Draw a circle with suitable radius. Express each category as percentage of total using this formula. Convert percentage to degrees using degrees like this formula, with this formula. Draw sectors from center using calculated angles and set sectors differently at index and legend. Line graphs. Line graphs used to coordinate or exist to show statistical data through a line. Different variants serve specific cartographic and geographical purposes. Arithmetic line graph, time series graph, time, hour, day, week, month and year on x-axis and variable values on y-axis. Points joined to show variations over time. Temperature, pressure, population growth, decade trends. Then water balance and budget graph. Budget graph shows superimposition of mean monthly rainfall at mean monthly evapotranspiration. This depicts water surplus, deficit, soil moisture, research and utilization, agriculture, water supply, disaster management. Then band graph or trend graph, y-axis time scale and x-axis values. Okay, multiple lines drawn on same frame, subdivisions shaded differently to form bands showing trends of total and its parts. Export trends, example Argentina, USA and Canada. Iconograph and iconography, spending profile study of spending profiles of a population of a region. Covers consumer and businesses spending by gender, age, income, living situation and location. Historical changes in cartography category spending by community. Then special graphs like climograph and hypergraph. Climograph introduced by Griffith Taylor, popularized by Köppen, used to show variations in world climate. wet bulb temperature in Fahrenheit plotted on y-axis, and relative humidity monthly average on x-axis. 12 points on per month plotted and joined creates a 12-sided figure, the climograph, and used to show scale of habitability in tropics for white settlers. Hydrograph, also introduced by Griffith Taylor, so relationship between temperature and rainfall. Monthly temperature plotted on y-axis, rainfall plotted along x-axis. 12 points one per month and marked on graph. Points joined to get a 12-sided figure and important for comparing climatic character of different regions. Okay, ergograph. An ergograph shows the relationship between season, climate, and crops. Climate is represented by monthly average temperature, rainfall, and relative humidity, all marked on the y-axis. 12 months are marked on the x-axis. Key components of an ergograph: y-axis monthly average temperature, rainfall, and relative humidity; x-axis 12 months of the year, January to December; below x-axis SRS of various crops shown on selected scale, and crop bars, bar representations showing growing season of each crop, and represents 1 acre, that means 100 square on the crop acres SRS scale below x-axis. Notable facts for UGC NET: get this, and AG Ogilvy presented a circular ergograph. Circular ergograph shows continuous rhythm of seasonal activities. Each crop represented below the x-axis as bar divided by band. 1 square unit, 100 acres scale representation shows relationship between growing season and climate. Important graph for geographical, agricultural geography questions. Quick revision: all graph types at the glance. Graph and diagram introduced by acquisition method, key use and feature. Simple bar graph, acquisition method, bars proportional to quantity, key users and features, single variable comparison. Multiple bar diagram, multiple bars per category, compare 2+ datasets, example India versus China. Component bar diagram, bar divided into subparts, shows components percent, enroll out of school. Bar diagram, wheel, circle divided by angle, p divided by 100 into 360 degree. Sub-component distribution maps. Arithmetic line graph, time on x-axis, variable on y, temperature, population trends over time. Water balance graph, monthly rainfall versus evapotranspiration, water surplus deficit analysis. Band graph, y time, x values and shaded bands, trends of hotels and parts of over time. Climograph, Griffith Taylor and Copen, temperature y into r is x, 12-sided figure. World climate habitability in tropics. Hydrograph, Griffith Taylor, temperature y, rainfall x, 12-sided, comparing climate character of regions. Ergograph, get this, and Ogilvy, temperature, rainfall, humidity, and month y and months x, season, climate, crop relationship. Ethnograph, line graph, years multiplied by spending, and spending profiles by community and segment. Okay, some questions. Who introduced climograph? Correct answers will be Griffith Taylor. You also used by Copen for world climate. Who introduced hydrograph? Griffith Taylor. Circular ergograph by whom? Geddes and A.J. Ogilvy. Pie chart formula for angle, degrees p divided by 100 multiplied by 360 degree, where p is equal to v divided by t into 100. Where the 4 climograph zones are raw, muggy, sourcing, keen is defined by temperature and humidity. What water balance graph shows water surplus, deficit, soil moisture research and utilization. Ethnograph studies spending profile of population by gender, age and income and location. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.